Hello friends, welcome to our workshop. Here we got Waterjet CNC machine, WAZER. In this video we're going to show you how it works. We're going to make some tests. We're going to show you its features. This video all about this machine. Okay friends, we got the spot. We're going to place it right here. Well, as you have seen, these guys do everything for us. You don't need specialized crans or something tools to move it.
Anything.
Yeah,
These
you
guys thought about everything. Press start. Okay.
You got the first cut. Really nice, guys. Look at this. Amazing, look at this, guys. This is titanium plate, and look how clear it cuts. And I think this machine is suitable for any workshop. Really useful machine.